I love it. You gonna stick around for a little bit? We are going live on YouTube. We are going live on YouTube. Let's see here. Let's see if any of our friends jump in. I got my daughter Mila here. Maybe we should take this down a little bit. All right, all right, all right. So yesterday, Mila, the stock market fell. What does that mean? Pull up a chair, baby. Let's talk. I'm gonna have Mila pull up a chair and join us on this live. And I'm gonna show you guys some things. Ugh. Come on, sweetie. So this is my daughter Mila. Come on closer. All right, Mila. Yesterday the stock market fell. You could look right up here. Can you see it?
Yep.
That's cool, huh? So yesterday the stock market fell. What does that mean to you? Does it mean anything?
Well, at first, when I hear the stock market fell, it sounds like all the stuff on the shelves just collapsed.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I really think about it, I really think like, oh, maybe they lost some money or something.
Who lost money?
The stock market,
Mm-hmm.
like the company, like if it was like Target,
Mm-hmm.
maybe they lost some money.
Okay, what's your favorite? What do you like to buy at Target?
Well, I like to go to Target to get Starbucks.
To get Starbucks. Okay. What do you like to get from Starbucks?
I like to get a chai latte with almond milk.
Chai latte with almond milk. Anybody else like chai lattes with almond milk? Now, how much do the chai lattes with almond milk cost?
About like $10.
About $10?
Yeah.
Okay, now watch this, watch this. If the chai lattes with almond milk at Starbucks cost $10, but then all of a sudden it dropped down to $3, what would you do?
Buy it more.
Buy more. So let me ask you this. If the stock market, all these companies, if they are worth, let's just say $50, and then it falls, the stock market falls, and now all of a sudden they're worth $25, what do you think you should do?
Get it more.
Get more. So the stock market falling, for all of you guys that are listening, when it fell yesterday by 17 to 20%, then this means you should go buy
More.
more. Why?
Because it's cheaper and you can get more of it.
See what I'm telling you, baby? This ain't difficult stuff. This is not hard stuff because it's cheaper.
Yeah.
Now, the problem is when it falls, most people get scared and they take their money out.
Yeah.
Don't do that. That's stupid.
So stupid.
What you want to do is take your money and go buy more. If a freaking chai latte that you love is
Nothing.
$10 and all of a sudden it drops to $3, if a company you love, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, um, name some others, sweetie.
Um,
What else we got? Target, you said.
Starbucks. Let's
Starbucks.
see. What another one that people like? Oh, Five Guys.
Five Guys.
In and Out.
In and Out. I don't know if those are publicly traded companies. Some might be private companies. Like our company, Think Life is Different. So they can't buy that stock yet. But how about other big companies? Did we say Amazon already? Ni
Amazon.
Nike,
On Quest.
Quest. She's talking about Quest chips. Um, McDonald's.
Oh, that's a
What
big one.
about all the banks? Chase, Bank of America. You have Warren Buffett's company. You have all IBM, you have all these companies. So if they fall and if they go on sale, like the freaking chai latte with almond milk,
So
then
good.
that's when you want to actually go buy more of this stuff. Does this make sense? So we don't want to be scared off. We want to go buy more. So when the stock market falls, we want to go buy more. Now, here's the deal. What we invest in, well, Mila's invested into a lot of stuff, but one company she's invested in that fell big time yesterday is a company called Nvidia. You know about Nvidia?
A little bit.
What do you know about it?
I know that it's standing.
That is standing?
That, yeah.
Actually, Ezra went to go visit that company. Ezra, my oldest boy, Mila's oldest brother, she's got a lot of brothers. She's got three brothers. But Ezra is our oldest, so he actually got a chance to go visit NVIDIA this past summer and go walk around and have a tour of the whole company as one of his older cousins worked there as an engineer.
Mhm.
But this is a company that produces semiconductors. These are little microchips that go into pretty much every single thing that you use that has to deal with technology. NVIDIA's microchips, these semiconductors, is going to help that technology function. So this company is actually absolutely blown up. Mila's invested into this company. Ezra's invested into this company. My son Cruz and my other son Jonah is invested. So yesterday, when the stock market tanked and went down, this actually means that this company went on sale. Just like anything else that you like to buy when it goes on sale, you say, I'm going to go get more of it. That's exactly what you want to do when you're investing. Now, when you're a new investor, then we did not start off investing into individual companies as a new investor. Then you want to invest in a basket of companies. These are called ETFs or mutual funds. So if you invest in a basket of companies, whether this ETF is holding 5 companies or 10 companies, or when we started off, we started investing into a basket of companies that actually held 500 companies. And so these ETFs allow you to diversify your investments. So if you invest, like they are invested individually in NVIDIA, but if that company goes out of business, then you lost all of your money. But if you invest in a basket of companies like a low cost index fund, then now if you have 500 companies in that fund and one goes out of business, you don't lose all your money. In fact, what it will do is it will move that sucky company out of that basket and then it'll reach back down into the market and it'll bring the next best company up so that you can continue to invest in 500 companies at a very, very low cost. So you have big companies, you guys, and these ETFs fell yesterday as well. So if you have any money that somebody asked me yesterday, like, if I don't have a lot of disposable income, how do I invest? Listen, you have income. If you have a job, you have income. Mila, is there a way for you to make some money today? Yeah.
Um, well,
What could you do to make some money today?
we could do this any day, but I remember when we used to sell avocados,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a friend who told me he says he has this like farm,
Mm-hmm.
and he says he goes to LA and like sells um avocados, vegetables, all this stuff to get money. So
Love it. Okay, so let's say you go sell some avocados.
mhm,
And how much money do you think you'll make on a good day?
about 50.
About $50. Okay. Now, when you get $50, 1 second, baby, we're doing a live video. When you get $50, we're doing a live video. I'll send her out right now. Okay. When you get $50, tell me what you do with that money.
Save, invest, and give.
Okay. Now, how much should you save, invest, and give?
10%.
10%. So 10% of each, right? So if I have $50, I should automatically be saving $5. If I have $50, I should automatically be saving $5. I should automatically be investing $5, and I should automatically be giving away $5, right? So when somebody tells me I don't have disposable income, what they are telling me is they're not very good with their money, because whether you're selling avocados or whether you're going to a job or whether you run a business, I do not care. As long as you are earning money, you should have enough money to be saving, investing, and giving away. And if you don't, it's because you're not creating boundaries around your money. That's how simple it is. So to say I don't have disposable income actually tells me that what they are saying, what they're basically saying is, I'm not being a very good steward with this money or the decisions that I'm making or the choices that I'm making. Because if we earn income, it doesn't matter how you earn it. 30% of that right away is already spoken for. 70% we should be using to live off of. And if you're living off of more than 70%, then you got to change the way that you're living. That's the answer. You just have to change the way that you're living so that the way that you're living can fit into that 70% so that you actually have enough money that when the stock market falls, that you can participate in it falling and go buy a whole bunch of companies on sale. So what should that mean to you? If the stock market falls, man, it should be a great day for you. If the real estate market falls, it should be a great day for you. Why? Because it allows you to go buy more chai lattes with almond milk, right? Things are on sale. All right, Mila, you better go see what mommy wants.
All right.
And thank you for sharing so much knowledge with our followers and the people that tune in to what we do.
You're welcome.
Love you, baby.
Bye.
Adios. All right. So if you guys want to make some money today, you can go do what Mila was talking about and go sell some go sell some avocados. All right. Let me see here. We got the chat that is open. Uh let's see if we can let's look at this live chat. Let's see if we can answer any questions that you guys might have. Let's see here. Oh, we got some people that's on live that's watching. What's up? What's up? What's up? Go on and share this video. I love jumping on live just so that we can spend some time and chit chat, man, and just hang out. It's always a good time. Always a good time. Well, listen, I'm gonna bounce up out of here. I just wanted to spend a couple minutes talking about how the stock market falling yesterday was actually a really good thing, and you want to start paying attention to this stuff. If you're not already subscribed to, my YouTube channel, if you're not already following me over on Instagram at the real Jamil Frazier, if you're not already following our company, Think Life is Different, make sure to do that on Instagram. But you want to be abreast to what's happening and what's going on, because as soon as you see that market fall, man, that's when you want to go buy even more. But you want to be consistently investing into you want to consistently be investing as it is, but when you see it fall, that's when you want to buy more. So keep a little bit of money on the side so that you can go in and buy even more. Let us know if you have any questions. Love that my daughter Mila was able to jump on here really fast so you see how we get down. And if you see, she's already been trained. She's already been trained to start thinking wealth. What do I do with the dollar? What do I invest in? What's a dollar cost average? This all the kids are trained to think like this. I tell them what's better, profits or wages. They say profits, daddy. All this stuff has been ingrained in them since the time they were 2 years old. So it's never too early to start, and it's never